So today I'm playing Wrestling Empire. This time the free warm update. Yeah, the free warm update is out. I'm inside a train right now. And get out the way. Oh no, why? What did I even do, dude? Man, Black. Okay, stand up, bully. Stand up. Sit. Stand up and sit. Sit. There we go. Ah. So where are we going? I have no idea. Should I attack? Yeah, let's attack this vampire dude. Lestat Macabre. Dude, target him. No idea. Matt Black, I am gonna get you. Where's Matt Black? Let's see what he's doing. Foul Demon! No, boy. I'll take care of Matt Black for you, okay? Why is... Wait a second. Why is this guy's name Jesus? Who put his name that way? I swear I did not change his name. And I'm not Christian, so I don't know why. That's his name. I don't know why I put that. I didn't put it. Maybe I put it. He kind of looks like Jesus. I'm not Christian, by the way. Bobby Wall. Attack Bobby Wall. Oh, I get it. Your head's gonna freaking crack and explode. Oh, kick! Kick to the face. Fucking train rumble, dude. Into the country. What if I don't wanna? What is there an option if I don't want to? Oh my dude. It is insane. I'm not even attending the show, I'm just here. Get Haley, I don't care about my show. I'm gonna call in sick. Not like, oh, what? Oh my god, did you see what happened to him? He flew, dude. Oh, dude, this is awesome. I love this game, dude. Insanely good game. It's not lagging, by the way. It might lag in the recording. I don't know why that happens. Wait, there's a show in this place. Whoa, until I don't come in. Because the thing is, I'm gonna miss the show. Yeah, you know what? Let's actually try to attend. Yeah, I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna do the show. So yeah, let's just. And I'm just gonna simulate the result. If I win, I win. Thunder, Tiger, and Gabriel. Okay. Why is it lagging this much? It's not supposed to lag. Never stuff. Isn't Thunder Tiger my friend? Like, no, really, he's my friend. Also, this guy's injured. He's literally injured, dude. Foul Demon will be in the hospital bed. Are you serious? Foul Demon is gonna destroy you. I'm not talking about this. What? How did he get good so soon? Thunder Tiger! How much health does John Cena have? John Cena has much more health than me. I wanna... John, no, I wanna... come on, John, go outside, John. John, yes, let me tag you in. Let me tag you in, John! John is so weird, dude. Like, he always does that. I just wanna... He tagged Gabriel in. Oh my god! John Cena, go off. John Cena wants me to lose, I think. Okay. Clothesline him. Thunder Tiger used to be my friend. I don't know how he became an enemy. So yeah, that's actually really bad though. He became an enemy. Should I injure him again? I don't know if I can. So I'm gonna make a part 2. sometime later, guys, because I don't have time today.